If you were called things like you are too sensitive, you have changed, or there is something wrong with you by the narcissist, this episode is for you. There was a hidden meaning underneath statements like these that I will reveal today in this episode. Hi, I am Danish, a narcissistic abuse recovery professional. In this episode, I will be decoding and translating 9 things narcissists say to make you go crazy. If you're eager to learn, please make sure to subscribe by pressing the subscribe button and push the bell icon to stay updated with everything latest that I post over here. Let's get started with number 1. I cheated on you because you never gave me what I wanted. You made me do it. Translation and real meaning. I cheated on you because I am a serial cheater. Disloyalty is in my personality. I need to have multiple people providing me supply at one given time. Otherwise, I'll get bored. You aren't enough for me. In fact, no one is, because I am not enough in myself. I cheated on you because I wanted to do it, not because you made me do it. But I want you to feel responsible so that I can blame and shame you. I want you to feel guilty because I can't, so you have to. I need to evade accountability, so I will make it about your inadequacy, when in reality, you have done nothing wrong. You have done everything in your capacity to make me happy. Number 2, don't you remember how good things were at the start, at the beginning? Translation. My mask is about to fall, or I am about to lose control over you. So I am rekindling the fake love to confuse you, shift your focus from reality, and keep you trapped in the spider web of my lies. I can't let you go so easily. Why don't you understand? I am strategically making you think about the good times so that you forget about the bad ones while getting sucked into the emotions I made you feel once. I am making you think about hope and possibility of a relationship working out so that you FOMO and give it a chance when it deserves none. Number 3, what else do you want from me? Translation. I am doing nothing for you, not even the basic things that I as a partner or a parent am expected to do, am supposed to do. I have to turn it around and portray you as ungrateful so that you feel guilty and stop asking. I want you to do everything. Earn, cook, clean, and coordinate, but I need to take credit for it. After all, my presence in your life has made you so efficient. What were you without me? Instead of asking me to do more or to put in more effort, you should serve me and never complain. Number 4, there are people dying to have me in their life. Don't you think you are any special? Translation. There are other people that I have manipulated into believing that I am a very sweet, charming, kind, caring, and a compassionate person. I am triangulating you very covertly so that you try and give more. I am threatening you to make you feel insecure and think I'm in demand when I'm the most lonely person you will ever find. Nobody is dying to be with me. They just like the mask of normalcy I wear in front of them. If they were to see my real side, they would run to the hills. Number 5, stop acting like a victim. Stop having a party. I am the victim here. I'm the one who was impacted. Translation. In each and every experience that I have had with you, I see myself as a victim. Why? Because you don't comply and obey enough. You don't let me have control the way I want to, and that makes me hate you. How dare you call yourself the victim when it is me clearly? You're making it hard for me to play with you like a toy, to treat you however I want to. Stop that drama already. Number 6, why do you make my life so hard? Translation. I actually mean, why do you make it so hard to extract fuel from you? Your failure to play ball and to do what I want you to do is causing me to utilize more energy to extract supply from you, and as per my distorted understanding of how things should work, you are doing this on purpose. I feel entitled to get that supply, and you should be helping me to get it instead of resisting and questioning my actions or words. Why can't you make it easy for both of us? What's wrong with you? Number 7, there is something wrong with your head. You need to take medicine. Translation. There is absolutely nothing wrong with you and you are in your senses, speaking your truth and what is obvious, but I need to project and twist everything to make you feel as if you are crazy so that before questioning me, you will question your sanity first. I say you need medicine because you aren't accepting my treatment of yours as normal. You are disordered because you aren't being a complete completely doormat. You need meds to get that right. Number 8. I don't like your friends. They aren't good enough for you. Translation. I want to completely isolate you and ensure you have no one to support you. You have no one to tell you that I am abusing you and that I am an abuser and you should leave me. I want to have all of your attention. You're mine and nobody else can have you. I want you to feel that I am everything that you will ever need in your life, because that way I can abuse you in whatever way I want to and you won't leave. I want you to depend on me for everything so that I can hide my dependency through yours. I want you to make me the center of your life so that you wouldn't leave me. Number 9. I don't know what you're talking about. It's all in your head. There is something wrong with you. Translation. I know exactly what you're talking about, but I am pretending not to understand to escape responsibility and reflection. I want you to feel crazy for making things up. I know there is nothing wrong with you, yet I am trying to make you crazy to have absolute power. I'm taking away your ability to reason and use logic so you can never question me again. I'm failing in a sense to make you question your understanding of the situation, your recall of the event and your feelings such as anger, sadness or confusion. I know things happened the way you describe them, but to escape taking responsibility, I need to act as if I have never said that or it never happened the way you are describing it. Which one of these did you resonate with the most? Let me know in the comments and make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and let me know how this content was and let me know what else should I make videos on. I will talk with you in the next one. Until then, let the healing begin.